and it's especially for the youth. Because were you there when we did the water ceremony this morning? So you have to really think about a holistic thinking. It's not your little piece, but it's the whole thing, eh? So it's this circle of life here, see? So this here is this. So you've seen that before, eh? Yeah. So you know some of your Ojibwe words. So what would you say about this? Ozawa. This one?
Squaw.
Squaw.
Kadewa.
Kadewa. Yeah, Lachka. So what else do you know about the medicine wheel? Directions?
Yeah.
Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Ne?
I don't know the one.
Wabanong.
Wabanong.
Kina Wabanong.
Wabanong. Jawanong.
Jawanong.
Yeah.
Abengishmuk.
Pingashmuk.
Yeah. Abengishmuk. It's where the sun comes down. You see, the sun comes up. Wabanong. The sun is coming up. Waban. It's getting light. And then in the west, Abengishmuk, it's going to sleep. It's going to bed now. It's coming down. Sunset. Sunrise, sunset. So Wabanong, Jawanong, Abengishmuk, Giwadnong. Giwadnong. So this is your east. So things begin here in the east, eh? So everything gets placed on the universe, on this wheel, on this life. So when you're living every day, for instance, you're going to picture that in your mind. Like you got to make these pictures inside your head, in your body, in your mind. It's a whole world view. It's much different than English. You're going to be thinking this way. It's not in straight lines or any of that. It's always in a circle, this way. So the other thing we have, like, is our seasons, eh? So spring.
The Gwaji.
And spring, miigwetch.
Oh, Ziegler. Oh, Niben.
Milkmate.
No.
Yeah.
No, Minokme.
Yeah. Niben.
Niben. The Gwaji. No, fall. Benako Jesus. I forget. The Gwage, that's what it is. Yeah. Beboon.
Okay, so you're placing things on this wheel. So when you're teaching, you want to start to put that worldview into the minds of the little ones, so that when they get up in the morning, they're going to know where east is, because they see that sun starting to come, or it's halfway up. And then at night when they're going to bed, they're going to know where the west is. So when they're going about their daily life, they know which is east, west, and so on, eh? This is important too if you're in the bush and you get lost. So our people used to know all of that. So that's what this is.